This is a backlit LED mirror for your RV bathroom. It runs on 12 volts and connects directly to your RV's DC power. The LED lights are built around the edge of the mirror for front-facing light, which reduces the shadows on your face and gives you more even lighting. Color temperature is 4000 K, a neutral white, warm enough to feel comfortable in your living space, but cool enough to have accurate color when you're getting ready in the morning. Wiring is standard and meant to be switched on the wall. If you've replaced any 12-volt fixture, this will be an easy install. The size is 22 inches tall by 19 inches wide. It fits flat to the wall with a profile of about 1.5 inches. Power draw is 20 watts while it's running. For reference, it'll take about 5 of these running before you match the draw of 5 RV coffee makers. To see more info about this light, you can find the link in the description below. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.